The mourning clothes are gone. Mordecai, once marked for death, now wears the royal robes of the king. When God flips the script, the enemy's seat is left empty. A day of destiny became a day of deliverance. Purim, the feast of the great reversal. A reminder for every generation. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. In the land of Uz, there lived a man whose name was Job. This man was blameless and upright. He feared God and shunned evil. But behind the veil of the seen world, a challenge is issued. Is faith real if its subs only fueled by blessings? A hedge of protection is lifted, and a hero is put to the test. 4 messengers, 4 reports of ruin. In a single afternoon, the wealth was gone. The home was broken, and the children were lost. The world collapsed in a heartbeat. From the palace to the ash heap. Struck with pain from head to toe, Job scraped the dust in agony. Yet, in the darkness, he declared, "Blessed be the name of the Lord." 7 days of silence. Then the accusations began. When the world demands a reason for your pain, remember, faith doesn't need an explanation, it needs a savior.